my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the review on Get Response. Well, first of all, I'll let you know what exactly is Get Response. Get Response has been around for quite some time now. It started in 1997 when SEO Simon Grabowski launched the first autoresponder. This led to a domino effect, starting with registering www.getresponse.com a year after. Since then, GetResponse has been expanding its features and growing its team globally. The tool has also attracted praise from publications like Website Magazine, which awarded GetResponse as the second best email marketing provider in 2011. But fast forward to now, with some stiffer competition chock full of bells and whistles to the delight of users. How has GetResponse managed to stay on top of its game? Its constant growth and ability to change with the times is one of the GetResponse's best qualities. It hasn't rested on its laurels as it continues to provide users with the best email marketing features to help them grow their business. Now, let's talk about the GetResponse pros and cons. So, first of all, let's start with the pros. The first pros is pricing. GetResponse offers a very affordable price. For example, you have 5,000 subscribers. GetResponse will cost you $45 per month. The second pros is powerful autoresponders and automation rules. One of my favorite features about GetResponse is the ability to set up autoresponders in a calendar view. Unlike other services that show autoresponders in a list, this makes it easy to see what emails are being sent throughout a given month. The third process is A/B testing. Another feature that GetResponse do very well is enabling you to run A/B tests on subject lines, content, delivery times, sender names, and list segments. While most email marketing tools do enable A/B testing, most only allow you to split test the content and subject line. The fourth process is responsive email design and inbox previews. While this feature is becoming common across most email tools, GetResponse have been slightly ahead of the curve in making mobile newsletter templates and allowing you to preview your message across multiple mobile devices and email clients. The fifth process, great reporting. While get responses at a glance reports aren't anything too special, they make it easy to do side by side comparisons of campaigns as well as letting you segment your campaigns to see which portion of your campaign worked better than others. On top of this, you can track the social media impact of emails and email ROI by installing a tracking code on your website to see which emails have the greatest impact on driving conversion. The sixth process, deliverability. According to third-party deliverability review site ReturnPath, GetResponse have a 99% email delivery rate by nurturing relationships with ISPs and using automatic feedback loops to improve list hygiene. GetResponse have become one of the best email marketing services for achieving high deliverability rates. The seventh process, time travel. This is an extremely useful feature that enables you to set a specific time that your campaign arrives in the inbox of subscribers regardless of their time zone. For example, if you set your campaign to go out at 9 am, it will be sent to your subscribers in London and Tokyo at 9 am their time. This is huge time saver as it prevents having to either segment your list into lots of different country buckets or having to send out your message to a portion of your audience at suboptimal times. And now, if we talk about the cons, they have only one cons according to me, that is automation is limited. While GetResponse automation features are very powerful for the price, they are quite limited in terms of functionality. Currently, there are only about 7 rules that you can use to automate actions. On top of this, their automation rules only allow you to automate adding or removing a subscriber from a specific list. Now, if we talk about the GetResponse features, then instead of gushing how good GetResponse is, it's better to get deep in the weeds and check out the tool in action. Now, I'm going to let you know about the main features. First one is email marketing. Its flagship service remains one of the finest in the industry. Building beautiful emails your subscribers will want to open is made easy using GetResponse. The second one is email creator. It all starts with choosing from its pre-designed templates. Instead of creating a design from scratch, just select which template you would like to use for your email campaign. You can preview the template first and see if it matches the appearance and feel you are looking for in your email to help you make searching for the right template much easier. Show only templates from the category that fits your needs best. The third one is autoresponders. Now, let's say you want to create an email or a series of emails to be sent to a group of subscribers automatically. Since it's impossible to manually send the emails one by one, GetResponse makes this more convenient to you via its autoresponders feature. Like, first of all, just create the first autoresponder by configuring when the email will be sent to a subscriber of your list. For example, you can use autoresponders to greet new subscribers by sending them a welcome email and links to pages on your site they need to visit to get them acquainted with your business. Once you have determined the autoresponder schedule, you can design the email and publish it the same way. While sending autoresponders is a great way to onboard new subscribers, this feature becomes much better when coupled with the marketing automation feature, which we will tackle shortly. But just to give you an idea, you can automate your sales and engagement by setting up multiple autoresponders to create a drip feed campaign. The fourth feature is email analytics. To ensure the success of your email campaign, you must know how your subscribers received it. Even if you felt you created the best email campaign out there, there's a chance that all your subscribers don't share the same sentiment. If anything, you need to understand how your campaign fared with your subscribers for you to understand what you did right and or wrong and help you improve upon your next campaign. To do this, review the campaign's analytics to see the different metrics that determine its overall performance. From the dashboard, you will see the overview of how your list responded to one of your email campaigns. It shows you how many of the emails you sent were delivered to your subscribers as well as the campaign's open and click through rates. Digging deeper, you can see more information about the campaign like bounce and unsubscribe rates as well as the number of the complaints it got. Factoring all these, you get a better idea of what made your campaign a hit or miss and what you can do to achieve better results. If you want to analyze the growth of your list, the report section will show you this in graph format on top of other variables. The fifth feature is list management. When building a list, you want people who are engaged and active with your brand to join. However, you can only do that if you can send them emails that encourage them to participate and stay active. GetResponse list management feature helps you to achieve this by first segmenting and adding conditions to your subscribers. For example, you can segment groups of people who signed up using a different form with a specific message on your site. More on this later. Once you have created a segment for them, you can create a personalized campaign for this segment that they can receive from you. This way, you make your interaction with each of your segments more dynamic and personal to help increase engagement, if not conversions. Another way to help you manage your subscriber list is by adding conditions to each. You can get granular with your subscribers by segmenting them using conditions such as geolocations, contact actions, and others. This way, you can group subscribers that met certain conditions and create personalized emails campaigns for each. For list management, you can also profile each of your subscribers, click on each one to learn more about them. You can see their latest activity based on the emails you send to each, add notes about each, and other details that could help you convert them into customers. In a way, GetResponse works as a CRM. Using the information you can find here should help your profile subscribers and provide context for each of them. The sixth feature is transactional emails. For people running an e-commerce site, you need more from your email marketing software. Aside from just collecting subscribers and sending emails, you need a tool that will send emails to people who forgot to check out their carts and receipts to customer for every transaction. With GetResponse, its transactional email feature lets you connect its API or SMTP and send transactional emails to customer. Automating this system allows you to focus on the big picture. This tool's 99% email deliverability rate and reliable infrastructure ensure that you are not letting off the hook that easily. You can analyze and review the performance of these emails to further maximize your sales opportunities. The seventh feature is sign up forms. Of course, you can't launch an email campaign if you don't have subscribers to send them to. Thankfully, GetResponse has got you covered. First, its sign up form allows you to collect contact information that you will include in your list. Creating a form is easy. Choose from 4 ways to create forms and select from the different templates organized into categories so you don't have to start from scratch. Similar to building an email, you can edit the existing fields and layout as well as add notes once if the need arises. Once you are done with the form, you can publish it on your site with pasting the codes on any page. You can also request your web designer to do this for you or let GetResponse host it from its servers. Regarding the latter, you will just need to share the URL with your audience. If you want your form to take a different appearance, you should be able to find your preferred type from the Tools List Builder apps. Click on the app of the form you want to build and edit it from there before publishing. There are also options to create the form from plain HTML. If you are comfortable with your coding skills or using integrations or plugins from popular platforms WordPress, Drupal, PrestaShop, etc. The seventh feature is landing pages. If you want to convert visitors into subscribers or even customers, you can use landing pages instead of forms. You can create one by selecting from the available templates organized into type, promotion, download, sale, etc. Again, building a landing page is a breeze thanks to its easy to use drag and drop builder. To run A/B testing on landing pages, click on the positive sign or plus sign on the top bar of the page to create as many variants as you need. This plays an important role in helping you determine which variant generates higher conversions. Once you are finished with your landing page, You need to determine which domain you want to publish the page. You can choose from the three present domains owned by GetResponse. However, if you have a website, it's best to publish the landing page under your domain for branding purposes. The eighth feature is webinars. If your resource guides are not increasing the sales of your business, then you need to take things to the next level with webinars. Hosting online presentations where your audience can join to learn more about a topic is also a great way to onboard them about your products and services. Now, let's talk about its ninth feature, that is marketing automation. If you want to generate more sales and revenue on autopilot, then you must leverage GetResponse marketing automation features. As mentioned, you can create numerous autoresponders to create a drip feed campaign. This allows you to put the software to work as it automatically sends the emails to a segment in your list. Now, let's talk about the 10th feature, that is conversation funnel. These features above are just bits and pieces of what GetResponse can do for your business. But if you want to put everything together, its conversion funnel lets you build the pieces together and create a high converting funnel granted to turn visitors into customers. First, you need to determine what the goal of your funnel is. If you want to build a list, GetResponse has a selection of lead magnets you can use for your funnel. But if you have a magnet of your own, even better, on the next page, it shows you what else you need to do to complete the funnel. Conversion funnel takes away the guesswork from developing high converting campaigns made up of sign up forms, landing pages, and emails. All you need to do is fill in the blanks and watch the conversions roll in. Now, let's talk about the pricing of GetResponse. Its basic plan is just start from $15. Plus plan it starts from $49. Professional is of $99 and the maximum plan is negotiable. As you add more subscribers to your list, the cost increase. At the top end of the scale, you can expect to pay $450, $499 or $580 per month to use GetResponse with a list containing 1 lakh subscribers on the basic, plus, and professional plans respectively. Well, now if you are thinking, is GetResponse the right for you? Then I recommended you if you want to capture customer leads. GetResponse is one of the few newsletter tools I have tested that truly built for inbound. If you are an online store owner, GetResponse is packed with features to help you drive more sales. Integrations with platforms like Magento and Shopify, abandoned cart campaigns, dynamic email content, example based on purchases, and sales tracking. And if you need sophisticated automation, then I'm impressed with GetResponse Workflow Builder, which enables you to set up automations for a whole range of actions, including sending emails, assigning lead scores, contact tagging, segmentation, and data updates. I will not recommend GetResponse to you if you are after a free plan. GetResponse don't offer a free or even freemium plan, just a free trial of 30 days if you want a free newsletter service. That's it. So friends, this is all the information of this project or all the information of GetResponse. Now, the short summary of this is that having used other popular email marketing tools, GetResponse is one of my favorite. When you take cost into account, GetResponse is one of the most affordable service. If you are not too sure, you can take GetResponse with their free 30-day trial here. I will also provide you the link in the description. Just check it and try it. That's it. So this is all the information of this project, or this is all the information of GetResponse. Make sure you do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get daily updates as soon as I upload the new video. Thank you. Bye bye.